Hey everybody, I'm Mrs. Johnson and I'm going to be teaching summer school this year with you. This is my third year of teaching summer school, blended recovery. And so what you're going to be expecting is one-on-one time with me as well as doing some work at home. We're going to be covering quite a bit of the curriculum that is established for our district, and I think you'll find that it's going to be a bit different, more videos, more challenging assignments for you to get creative with. I've had quite a few other teachers who have collaborated with me on the curriculum this year, and I tell you, they are amazing teachers who have come up with some really great experiences for you. I hope you really enjoy the summer class that we're going to be embarking on. Just a little bit about me, so you know who I am. I have been teaching in Deer Valley District for 20 years, and I teach middle school, 7th grade, over at Hillcrest Middle School. I absolutely love middle school students. I think they're a great group of kids. They can be silly, they can be serious, very creative, and you probably know a bit more about technology than I do. So don't be afraid to share your knowledge with me. I think you probably have a few ideas that you can share with me at least. The course does require that you are working at home. So anytime that you have questions, all you need to do is send me a quick note through Canvas, through the inbox, and I am accessible pretty much all the time so that you can get your assignments completed to the very best of your knowledge and then move on to your next grade level. So I really wish you a great adventure this summer, and I really look forward to seeing you very soon.